am Jeremiah Glorioso. 8 years working here in Taiwan as a production operator. And I would like to thank you to the GGTC family for helping me at my age na makapunta sa Taiwan, sa Canada. Papasalamat din ako sa mga taong tumulong sa akin, especially kay Mr. Sean, who give me a lot of patience. And Ma'am Rio, shoutout, maraming salamat. And to my family also, tumulong sa akin, my wife's family, my parents, and also to Mr. Damon Strong. See you when you get there in Canada. And sa Diyos, the Lord, our God. Maraming salamat. And hindi ko alam kung pang sasabihin ko because this is my dreamland. And thank you very much, GGTC family. Maraming salamat. Share.